Hello, my name is Martin Schwinger and welcome to Merrilton Robotics. Effective communication is the cornerstone of our success. This presentation will introduce you to key communication strategies and essential methods of your role. And understanding these principles will help you thrive in our dynamic environment. So let's explore how we communicate effectively at Merrilton Robotics. First, let's talk about direct communication, or one of the two communication strategies. Now, direct communication is when the main idea or the good news is presented up front and is followed by supporting details. It gets straight to the point. We use it when we are delivering positive news. For example, if we were announcing positive quarterly earnings, we would begin with the sales growth percentage, then explain the contributing factors. This helps to build confidence and respects our stakeholders' time. You can also use direct communication for routine messages, instructions, or simple requests. And we want to use direct communication when we want to be efficient and we want to be clear because those are paramount in our business. If that direct communication is effective because it avoids suspense, it sets a clear frame of mind and reduces frustration by being clear and concise from the start. The other type of communication strategy is indirect communication. This is when the main idea, it's often bad news or sensitive information, is preceded by explanations and supporting rationale. We use it when we're delivering challenging or negative news. Again, using the example of negative quarterly earnings, we first address factors and challenges that prevented those sales estimates from being accomplished. Then we present the actual numbers. Indirect communication can be used with persuasive messages that require careful groundwork, or when softening the message to provide context that is crucial. Indirect communication is effective because it allows the audience to understand the context before receiving potentially unwelcome news. It mitigates immediate negative reactions and it demonstrates accountability and empathy. Let's look specifically at some key attributes of direct communication. Direct communication is efficient and it saves time. It directly provides the main message, which is crucial for busy professionals such as ourselves. It is clear and it is purpose driven. It sets a clear frame of mind by stating the purpose up front. And it also has an immediate and powerful impact. This conveys the message straight away, creating a strong and positive impression. Now let's talk about some communication methods. We're going to talk about two specifically that we use at Merrilton. The first one is email. It is your go-to for logistics and records. We use it when we're informing teams about meeting dates, times, subjects, sharing documents, updates, and general announcements. Some advantages to email is that it does provide immediate outreach regardless of our team members' geographic location. You can access your email via various devices, your laptop, your desktop, your mobile device. It serves as a reliable communication record. It's easy to attach files. On the other hand, there are some disadvantages. It can disrupt work-life balance due to its constant accessibility. It can also be less secure without proper measures. Now, rest assured, at Merrilton, all communication is protected by verified security methods. Email can also make challenges with tone or intentionality because you can't see a person's face or hear a person's voice. So it lacks those face-to-face elements, creating that uncertainty. You can't read someone's expression in their face or their voice via an email. The other communication method we're going to talk about is video conferencing. This is what connects our global team. We use it for conducting real-time meetings with geographically dispersed teams since we are a global company. Video conferencing can facilitate project discussions, it can create collaborative sessions, and provide training such as this one. Some advantages to video conferencing is that it does save time and money. We don't have to bring those team members from other parts of the world get them on a plane, get them a hotel, and bring them here to meet all together. There is increased productivity and collaboration through the real-time interaction. Video conferencing allows for easy file and screen sharing, and there's often greater flexibility and employee satisfaction for remote work. Disadvantages, however, to video conferencing is that it does require a stable internet connection and there can occasionally be technical issues. Sometimes it can lead to Zoom fatigue over extended periods. And there can be challenges with coordinating the various time zones across our global team members. Now let's talk about specifically some key attributes to effective video conferencing. Because video conferencing, while it is crucial for building connection, interpreting nuances, and making virtual interactions, they can make them feel more personal and engaging for our global team. So our video conferencing platform, it does have high definition or HD video quality. It ensures that clear visual fidelity, allowing participants to see facial expressions and nonverbal cues. The screen sharing functionality of our video conferencing software allows easy sharing of presentations, documents, or designs in real time. It is essential for collaborative review and discussion of project details, ensuring that everyone views the same information simultaneously. There's also an integrated live chat. It enables active simultaneous participation without interrupting the main discussion. You can also post quick questions, you can share links or instant polls, streamlining the communication and ensuring that all voices can be heard efficiently during project meetings. Now, choosing the right communication strategy and method is critical for clarity, efficiency, and building strong relationships at Merrilton Robotics. Now, in this presentation, we have explored direct and indirect communication strategies. We've discussed email and video conferencing, our two primary communication methods. And we hope that through this presentation, you have an understanding of the strengths and attributes of each in order to help you choose the right tool to provide the right message. We encourage you to embrace these principles in your daily interactions. Please don't hesitate to ask your manager or your colleagues if you have questions, concerns, or if you need any guidance on either of these communication strategies or communication methods. Welcome to Merrilton Robotics. We look forward to working with you.